Hello people, so this video will be a tutorial video about step-by-step using CapCut. So here I use iPhone XR as my device, and the things that we need to do to use the CapCut is just go open the CapCut by click this application. And this is the look whenever you open it. If you never ever create a new project, so on this page there will be blanked. To start the work, you just need to go click this part, new project, click it, and now you have an access into the searches of the media on your phone, either video, photos, or live photos. You can also use the video searches or photo searches from the stock videos that provided by the CapCut. If you need specific videos, just go click in a search button, type the things that you want to looking for example, rabbit. And then after that, just go click search. And there will be 1,000 rabbits content, 1,000 rabbits picture and videos appear on your screen. If you want to specific looking for a video, just go click the video filter. If you're looking for a photo, just go click a photo. And you are ready to use. Go pick one of them. Let's do it this. And whenever you already choose the searches of the video, hold a second, you just need to go click add. And now this video will be in our project. Now you are ready to do an editing over this video. To edit this video, you just need to explore every features that provided by the CapCut here in the downside that will bring you into the specific tools. So for the edit, there will be a lot of tools that you can use to edit the clip, from splitting, adjusting the speed, add the animation, even delete the clip too. You can also adjusting the volume of the audio if you need. You just need to explore everything on here. If you want to add audio, you just need to go into the audio features and just explore everything on it. If you want to use the audios that provided by the CapCut, just go into the sound and just go pick every songs on every categories that appear on your screen. If you need a music from your own or your device, you just need to go click extract it, and that will be bring you into the video searches on your phone. If you need to add the text into the video, just go text and just need to go click add text and start to type the text for the video. If you want to do or add another video or photo in the top of this video, just go click overlay and go click add overlay. Choose the searches that you want to add to. If you want to change the ratio, you just need to go click this ratio and choose what you need actually for the final result of this video will be. If you need an effects, just jump into the effects and go click video effects, and you will find 1,000 effects that provide by the CapCut that you can use for the video. So whenever you done or finish editing this video, you can just save those by go click this part to extract it and wait until the process is finished. Then this video will be saved into your media or your device. And after that, you just need to go click done, and this project will be saved on your CapCut. And if you need to do another editing, you just need to click it to open it and continue another editing. So that's the way how to use CapCut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.